Hey man, say man, what's the word with it, man? It's BTM Buzz back with another video, man. And today we got 3 Problems Early Bird, man. Y'all know I've been waiting on this video, so let's get it cracking. Let's get it.
Why motherfuckers be speaking on my name? And why my city raised so many haters? Fingerprint me, bitch, I ain't saying a thing. Yeah, that's the aftermath of fucking with my paper. I don't know why I sit on niggas like I do. I don't know why this shit look easy when it's major, but I can see why bitches love me like they do. I got that juice and nigga, I be dripping flavor. Dripping on.
What's the word with it, y'all, man? I need y'all to, the first thing I need y'all to do is to like, comment, subscribe, and smash the video, man. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe to the video, man, on 3 Problems shit, man. I need y'all in the comments to spam they back. You feel me? But nah, one thing I want to say is podcast coming real soon, man. I might get an episode next week, man. Me, Jake, and Sean Corleone 314 Jake. Yeah, we finna take over on the podcast in St. Louis, man. For sure. Y'all know how we finna come. 2, I want to say, I want to shout out to Rello, man. He finally responded back to me, man. We chopped it up for a good little minute, man. I hope you watch this reaction, man. I hope you like it, cause I told him, I said, man, I've been wanting to react to the audios he had released, but I just wanted to wait until the video come out. So I chopped it up with him about the early birds. I'm like, man, let me get this video early or whatever. And he ain't text me back when I said that. I fucked up the game when I said that shit. But then a couple days later, he dropped this motherfucker, bro. And I was like, damn. You know, I fuck with bro for doing that shit for me, man. You know, I was like, man, I gotta get this video. And then he had hit me back with the what they dropping that motherfucker. So, you know, shouts out to that boy. So another thing I want to say is Scam, shout out to you too, my boy. I chopped it up with him and my boy DZ interview. They've been dropping all week long, so y'all should be able to get 1 through 4, Monday through Thursday, and then 5 y'all get the full interview, man. Y'all really gonna love this interview, man. I finally touched on subjects that people been wanting me to get on, like gritty situations, like my boy DZ. Goddamn, he had a little incident in the club where he had got to a fight and somebody tried to snatch his chain. You feel me? I asked him the question about it. He was real cool about it. He didn't get an attitude or nothing like that. And he just kept the whole situation real. Like if you watch the interview, he broke it down and they got into a fight at the club and somebody tried to snatch the chain, but instead of them snatching it, it broke in the midst of them fighting. So he had to get the chain to get it fixed and all that. So y'all gonna love all of these interviews and stuff I'm doing. Another thing, I'm gonna take a pause on doing the interviews and just do more reactions and see what y'all like on the channel and more vlogs. Another shout I want to give out to is what's her name? Urban Eats. You feel me? He did a little video or whatever about lefties, and I'm gonna do me a vlog soon. The camera might die in this video, so I might have to redo this reaction over. So, but we finna see how far I get before the camera die. Let's get it. Early birds. No, matter of fact, I'm gonna edit this part out. We're gonna get to the real reaction video once my camera charge up. Alright, we back, man. But nah, yeah, my camera had died. Well, it ain't died, it was about to die, so I had put it on the charger. But nah, we finna get straight into this reaction video. 3 Problems. 3 Problems Early Bird. My bad, y'all, I'm getting a video all together. I just went on and hurried up and just turned everything back on. Now I'm trying to get everything back started. I got a video in the background downloading. So I'm hoping everything come out right. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put this motherfucker in there. Then we're talking about 4Ks and 8Ks and all types of crazy stuff. Y'all ready for the video? Let's hold on, make sure everything is ready. But nah, we back to the reaction video, man. My camera had died. We finna get straight into our, man, 3 Problems Early Bird reaction. Let's get it. Oh, this mug clear. This mug clear. Like, this mug is clear. I ain't gonna fake it. This mug clear as hell. It's clear.
Running to money, I get on my early bird. Still chasing the money, I know that feeling I was broke for. Bitch say she don't lose me, but she fuck me like she want me though. Standing with that second, having one time, it was slow days. Running with that pack in my 10 when it was.
Did he roll snake eyes? Did he roll snake? That boy, he rolled snakes. Dang, that might be the metaphor or something.
Standing with that second, having one time, it was slow days. Running with that pack in my 10 when it was slow days. Nigga try to play me like a bitch and I'm like, no way. Like 22, clip turn to parlay. Eating crime shit, I came from that bitch, now I cut snake. 10, 5, 9, I came a long way from that.
I don't think y'all caught the bar. He said turn it to parlay. He said poof. Why you got a 5 in your stack, boy? My bad, I'm pausing it every time I see something. Man, take that 5 out the stack, man. Could at least have it in your pocket or something. I ain't even gonna stop you. He got a KRAZY clip. You gotta get the Korean man. Bitch say she don't lose me, but she fuck me like she want me though. Standing with that second, having one time, it was slow days. Running with that pack in my 10 when it was slow days. Nigga try to play me like a bitch and I'm like, no way. Like 22. I ain't even gonna say what the fuck I think, cause they was gonna get on my bumper. I ain't gonna even tell y'all who I thought that looked like, man. They gonna see this video, they gonna block my ass. Man, I want y'all to tell me who he look like. In the comments. When y'all see this part, I want y'all to tell me who he look like.
I'm timing like a bitch and I'm like, no way. Like 22, clips on to parlay. Nigga don't try to play me like a bitch, cause I get a win. Like, I ain't come on standing on my shit, I'm worth at least a brick. No way would I let a nigga ever take me. No way a nigga ever say me. I done put some real niggas on so they can never look. I done see so many niggas change, I gotta keep my tooth.
This motherfucker hard, the beat go crazy. The only thing I gotta say is Rello turn down the auto-tune just a tad, a little bit. I ain't gonna fake it. He hit that no way. That was hard, but when he had the first no way, I feel like that one didn't. It shouldn't have been right there though. But yeah, turn down the auto-tune a little bit, and that no way was on point. I'm gonna try to go back to it when this first verse came back on. Right there, that no way. They probably should have kept that out. See how that flow right in there. Still chasing the money, I know that feeling I was broke for. Bitch say she don't love me, but she fuck me like she want me though. That is an OPs, I think.
Running with that pack in my 10 when it was slow days. Nigga try to play me like a bitch and I'm like, no way.
That's TK?
22, clip turn to parlay.
He got the prize on. I ain't gonna figure they snapped on this motherfucker, man. I'm glad that boy back home. I ain't gonna fake it with you. I understand why Lil Tay ain't Lil Tay ain't dropped in a little minute, and I understand why Lil Tay just been letting Rello drop back to back because from the outside looking in, this is what I believe. This is my opinion. Y'all could state your opinions in the comment section so that way we can kind of see, and I'll respond back to him. On the outside looking in, on my opinion, I feel like Lil Tay want him to get his shine and then to get his name back up before they start just back collabing and duo and stuff all together. So yeah, I feel like that. And then two, I feel like Lil Tay know that like boom, he out, he gonna be the hottest right now. So he letting him get his shine and shit. But nah, man, hey man, say man, what's the word with it, man? It's BTM Bucks finishing and wrapping up another reaction video, man. In the comment section, I need y'all to tell me how y'all feel about this song, and I need y'all to tell me what y'all think, why y'all think they haven't did more collab songs, because I feel like this was hard and I feel like they need to lock back in more often. But nah, I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I need y'all to like, comment, subscribe to the video, and I need y'all to turn these boys up, man. We out.